Okay, OBS reconnected. Now, does Discord just not know how to reconnect to the internet?
Hello.
Hello.
The screen is kind of wild. I know you said that, but it really is wild. I just kind of went through like all of the bubbles to see what happens, and there's quite a lot happening.
Alright, everything should be back. Looks like it.
Very nice.
Not sure what caused my internet to go out.
The new internet at that.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Dang, you're going through the screen differently than me. So I'm curious. Where do I even go after?
What you're doing might be slightly faster, I'm not sure. I guess this makes sense. I don't know how ahead I'm supposed to be.
Dang.
I don't remember why that wall boots isn't.
Trying to process what I just witnessed.
What, me?
No, I got pretty far. How did that not extend? am I supposed to get here in time? Is it like an option of like top or bottom there?
Juice. Yeah, because you've got to go like, no, you got to go top first. You got to go top first.
That's
top
what I'm
is
thinking.
way ahead. And then you've got to, yeah.
I just don't understand how you could possibly get to the bottom in time for bottom to be there.
No, I get it, I think. Yeah, I get it.
What do you mean I down dash?
I'm too fast. I'm going legitimately too fast. But the blizzard problem. Yep, there it is. And I don't activate the switch. I'm going too fast. But I don't know where I can slow down. Here?
I'm not down diagonaling! I'm going straight to the side! Oh, I see.
Okay, I'm not gonna play there.
I'm stupid.
Wait, no, I do need this. I don't understand what that's for. Okay, so then I just need to... Okay. Yeah, I don't understand what all these extra crystals are for.
I need to kick off of that.
It's a blizzard. I almost... I've said my name before, but I'm almost... I'm actually impressed I didn't say it, because I usually just say my name. No tanners today. No, that one. Yeah, what?
Oh, wait.
I'm super confused by the...
That doesn't
I don't know what's happening at the end such that it's this weird overload of dashes that I'm pretty sure I don't need all of them. And it's making me, like, confused as to what the pathing is.
Oh! So that's how you get over there.
Yeah, I mean, I've made it to the end like so many times, but it's just knowing what to do at the end here with all these extra crystals.
Dude, I don't even know what the end is.
Well, I mean, you're like almost there. make it there like almost every attempt, but it doesn't matter because I don't know what I'm doing.
What even? I don't even know how that functions.
Okay, yeah, I don't know what all these extra crystals are for, but whatever, I got it.
Nice.
Didn't change the music? I guess it just changes based on how many you get?
Hitting me.
Oh, there we go.
My brain is completely turning off.
Okay, so after a loop, it's when the music changes, okay. This is such a cool thing.
No! Oh, there was another switch. You're kidding me. That's fantastic. That is great. I love grabbing the wall. If I wasn't bumping my head on it from being too fast. Whoa. Feels like there's so many possible ways to do this. Why? I'm stupid. I just need to get the hand motions for it right.
Something like that.
It's really cool screen.
Yeah, yeah. The sight readability. I mean, I guess it's just a gimmick. I shouldn't even complain about the sight readability. Really.
Come on! Play it safe, because it's just better to actually have reaction time. My ability to get like the pixel next to a switch is like phenomenal. There we go.
Okay.
Wait, what's that lead to? Oh, we can't actually. Bottom time?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out, is there a way I can activate... Yeah, okay. That's what I was... Yeah.
Oh man, okay, so you've got to do that same thing twice.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it.
There we go.
A game? Okay.
This is a cool way to explore multiple uses of the mechanic in the same level.
Yeah, I was gonna say, because in the other one, it didn't matter what order you did, it would always pop you out after a certain amount of times used, like, in certain places. But this one is, like, actually order dependent.
Yes.
We better go to the left, or to the right here.
Yeah, I'm thinking that too. Looks like it's a strawberry.
Yeah.
Yep. Is that the path back? It is.
So what did you...
I just like, you don't need the keys for it. I just
don't
went
need the
up.
keys for it.
I just went up right from the bubble.
Oh. I find this music so weirdly interesting.
This is such a weird... Dude, I don't even know... How do you get out of the top?
Yeah, because...
My brain... Oh my goodness. Are you not supposed to use that one? No, but if... No,
yeah,
but it'll
you
bring you
have
to
to
the
activate...
top. Can you do an upright out of that? And reach it? This...
No, I don't think that's...
But like,
Yeah,
that
because
doesn't...
You can't.
It's so
Oh, wait.
confusing.
Okay. Shoot. I keep forgetting the bubble respawns.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. I got it.
Huh? What order?
Okay, what the frick? Alright, watch me.
Oh, okay. I didn't know the inside one respawned too.
I mean, I've only used the inside. I guess, yeah. Well, I'd had to have because it was the only way out. I just didn't know I was going to be able to wall boost off of the wall.
Yeah, you like,
Or, like,
wall
wall
boost
jump.
off the fuzzies, right?
Yeah, basically.
I just have to tap for that.
Yeah, this one's not as clear with its pathing, I think, as
Dude,
others.
that wall boost, even with a tap jump, that sent me into the...
Yeah, you've got quite... okay, I can't... What's the play there? That looks just like a death sentence. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do.
I don't know how I'm so consistently bad at wall boost.
I've already forgotten what I was gonna do, but you know what? Once I get there again, I'm gonna be like, oh. No, it still takes me down there. What do I do in that? Yeah, I don't know what to do because that's just a death trap every time. Maybe I go there first? How do I go there first?
Now I need to figure out which one I need to use to leave the bottom. Because that one doesn't respawn. So we've got to weave back to the first one and then get...
I don't even know what
again.
you're doing.
What? Huh? Okay, does that have to be sinking then? Of course I messed that part up.
Where does what's the door opening? Ding dong, hello, like I know, but where's the door? I don't see a door anywhere.
It's a good point. Up there. So how do you get a last bubble to be up there?
Aha, 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 aha.
So does it only work as the last bubble if you ding dong?
Well, no, I think it's just...
Because, like, I used that as my last bubble before and it didn't send me up there.
What if I do it this way? I don't know. I just did it two different ways and I got there up there both times. I would assume it was not your last bubble then.
It absolutely was, gotta say. My brain and angles not working together right now. my gosh, weaving back down to that. Even though it's probably not... Actually, how would I even get back up? Wait, I never thought about that. I can't reuse that one? Unless that would have to be... I don't know. You said it worked 2 different ways, so I'm just gonna trust you. Oh, wait, that has 3?
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. There's like another entrance that I didn't need at all during my normal run.
I can't believe I've done the same thing so many times and still managed to do the wrong path. I held a direction there I've never held before. But that just sent me back to the middle. How does that make sense? So let me do the bottom first then, because that really doesn't make any sense. How do you... Blizzard, I don't know how to get there. Which one are you what's your last bubble? Because no bubble has ever gotten me to this bubble. I don't get it.
That was different than the way I got it the first time, but...
So wait, did your top right have 3 bubbles there?
Yeah, it's not... that. Like I said, it doesn't matter where the... Like, it's always the same amount of bubbles, but it doesn't matter what order. Like, I could have doubled up on the bottom left one, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, so... Okay, that's really weird.
I think. I don't know. Yeah.
Because I used that bottom left one as my last, and it sent me back to the middle. So I guess it's location. It's like which bubble you use as your last. It's so weird. I guess that's just because that was, like, completely rewriting my muscle memory.
Yeah, I mean, I don't... Yeah.
There we go. I just had to, like, rewrite what my muscle memory was because bubbles were doing different things than before. Alright.
Ow.
I don't even get to try. My brain just won't even dash. I don't know why I just can't.
Oh, that's
process
really cool.
what I'm doing.
That is really cool.
Damn.
Yep, should have gone that far. Wait.
All right.
The homage to the first room there. Very cool.
All right.
Alright, here we go.
Whew. Final room, probably.